Got some RallyArmor mud flaps for the Model Y. We're going to install them real quick, and hopefully they'll make a nice difference. I do notice when driving I get a lot of kick up on the door seals there. I did just wash it, and already there's stuff on there just from driving around on a dry day. So I think they're pretty easy to install. Pretty sure we just remove these two clips here, replace them with some parts there, and then slide some other clips up in there. Alright, these popped out super easy here. Got this, it starts looking like that. You fold these inward and slide them in. Do that twice. Alright, next up is screw and washer. With the logo facing backwards, we're going to start close and work our way back. Alright, now those are started. I've got a little right angle driver here. We'll just screw those in, and we're not tightening them up, just getting them in enough to hold it. Alright, next step is these little clips here. I have it lined up right with the edge of the molding. I said not to push them all the way in until you have it lined up, and then once you have it all lined up, push these in and then tighten those down the rest of the way. Alright, exact same process in the rear. 1, 2, and put in the hardware, put in the flap. Easy enough. These picked up from Model Plus. Found it on one of the forums. They're the same price as getting them directly from RallyArmor, but shipping was cheaper. They got here really fast, so excited about that. So I'm just going to put the rest of these on. Pretty easy install. Alright, I did have an issue where the screws were just spinning and they weren't tightening down. So what I did is I took this little screwdriver and I wedged it down against the little clip that I put in there, and that held enough pressure on it to get it started, and then I was able to get it appropriately tightened down. But they're installed. They do have these guides to show you exactly where to put the clips. I kind of just eyeballed it. I think they'll be fine, but they're there if you want them. Easy install, expensive mud flaps, but hopefully they'll help protect the paint. Thanks for watching.